Who is the best Croatian goal scorer in the Spanish La Liga? Stay till the end of the video to find out. Before we get to the top goal scorers, let's have a quick look on who are the Croatian players with the most assists. Ivan Rakitic leads the list, followed by Luka Modric, Alen Halilovic, Mateo Kovacic, Šime Vrsaljko and Davor Šuker. Rakitic with 389 appearances also leads the list in the apps, followed by Luka Modric with 293. If you want to support the channel, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe for the similar content. Dubravko Pavlicic, who died 10 years ago, scored most of his goals for Hercules Alicante. Stjepan Andrijašević played in the mid-90s for Celta and Rayo Vallecano. Mario Mandžukić, who played just one season in Spain for Atletico, scoring 12 goals in the 28 apps. Duje Čop scored 16 goals for Malaga and Sporting Gijón. Goran Vlahović, one of the top Croatian strikers from the 90s, scored 17 goals for Valencia. Robert Prosinečki, a real Croatian and European football legend, played for Real, Barcelona, Sevilla and Oviedo. Nenad Bjelica, he played for Betis, Las Palmas and Albacete. Robert Jarni, Betis, Real Madrid and Las Palmas are the clubs where he spent his Spanish career. Mate Bilic played for 5 Spanish clubs. Luka Modric, Real Madrid and world football legend, what else to say, one of the top midfielders of all time. Ante Budimir, not such a famous player, but he scored a bunch of goals for Mallorca and Osasuna, which brought him to the 5th place. Janko Janković, Valladolid and Oviedo are the clubs he played for in the early 90s. Alen Peternac, a real Valladolid legend. Ivan Rakitic, his name says it all, Sevilla captain and one of the most important Barcelona players. Davor Šuker, football legend, he played for Sevilla in his best years and later for Real Madrid before joining the Premiership side Arsenal. And that will be all. The next will be Serie A, so stick around.